Sometimes I wonder if they would understand. Sometimes I wonder if they would understand.
What's the matter?
Sometimes I wonder if they would understand.
What's the matter?
Sometimes I wonder if they would understand.
What color is it?
Runny high.
Look at the truck, Kenny. At the truck.
At the truck.
What color is the truck? Oh, thank you for sitting nicely. This truck is the color red.
Red.
Red, that's right. You knew that. You know that it's red. Very good. Wow, what color is
Time
this
limit.
truck? What color is it? Kenny, look at the truck. What color is that truck?
Truck.
What color is the truck?
Truck.
Kenny, what color is the truck?
Truck.
Can you please tell me what color the truck is?
Truck.
Look at the truck, Kenny. What color is it? Kenny, what color is this truck?
What color?
Red.
What color is the hat?
Yellow.
No.
Orange.
Yellow.
Yeah. Yellow.
What color is
I
this
like
truck?
And so that everybody at Pace knows, we do put a time limit on the Elmo car because it causes stimming. It causes stimming.
My cup, okay. Red juice. May I have some red? No. May I have some red juice? May I have? No, may I have some red juice? Okay.
Kenny, are you all done with Elmo? Are we ready for our next choice?
Kenny hears Ronnie crying. Yes, Ronnie is crying, Kenny, and you are listening to her cry.
What is... Okay, no thank you. What is this? You're ticklish. No thank you.
Thank you. That was perfect. Oh, what's wrong, Kenny?
Hi.
Tell me what's
Day
wrong.
Hi. Worst one. Day worst one.
Say, I feel mad.
Worst
mad,
one.
Kenny?
Day worst one.
This was your choice, Kenny. 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 Choice, Kenny.
This was not our choice right now.